When a project generates thousands of messages a day across standard communication platforms, the data doesn't naturally align itself into a workflow. It splinters. Decisions, files, and approvals become isolated nodes, syncing to the bottom of a fragmented chat history. As the chronological feed pushes older conversations out of view, critical project milestones and client deliverables are inevitably buried. This happens because organizations treat Microsoft Teams as an enterprise equivalent to text messaging, a place to type updates and scroll. To fix this, we have to stop viewing Teams as a continuous linear feed. Instead, it must be engineered as a stateful, unified hub where data persists exactly where it belongs. Achieving operational efficiency requires building rigid structural frameworks that anchor every conversation directly to the specific project artifacts they reference. Without this architecture-first approach, the sheer volume of unstructured communication will eventually stall execution, regardless of how hard the project team works. We begin by clearing away ad hoc environments and deploying a standardized enterprise channel blueprint across every new workspace. This blueprint relies on a strict numerical naming convention: 01 general, 02 client comms, 03 execution. Numbering forces the channels into a logical order that never changes, no matter which thread was last active. Predefining these exact spaces eliminates guesswork for team members and prevents the spontaneous creation of redundant, overlapping channels. To maintain this structure, we apply strict governance rules at the tenant level, removing channel creation privileges from standard members and reserving them exclusively for project owners. We then lock down the default general channel. By restricting posting permissions here, we reserve it entirely for high-level strategic announcements and project kickoffs, keeping it free from daily conversational clutter. This structure matters because every channel in Teams acts as a direct pipeline to a secure SharePoint backend. Each numbered channel automatically maps to a specific permission-controlled folder in the repository. By enforcing this rigid channel hierarchy up front, we convert a chaotic conversational space into a highly predictable filing system. With the foundational blueprint in place, we add the execution layer using custom tabs. The process starts by uploading a core project document directly into the relevant channel's file menu. By selecting Make this a tab from the drop-down menu, we pull that static file out of the folder hierarchy and elevate it to the top of the workspace. This mechanic extends across the entire Microsoft 365 ecosystem, allowing you to integrate a wide variety of tools. Kenning Essential Apps transforms a standard chat stream into a purpose-built dashboard. Team members gain immediate one-click access to the exact tools needed for that channel's specific workload. For active meetings, we deploy Microsoft Loop. It provides portable components that participants edit in real time. Any follow-up task captured inside Loop autonomously synchronizes with Planner, generating a lightweight plan. This eliminates manually copying notes into a separate tool. That Planner board is then pinned as a permanent tab inside the execution channel, establishing a single source of truth for all active workloads, assignments, and dependencies. Deeply integrating Planner and Loop via pinned tabs removes the friction of switching between applications, centralizing your team's momentum. To further reduce administrative overhead, we utilize Power Automate to handle routine status reporting. We configure the system so that a specific user action, like marking a planner task as complete, acts as an autonomous trigger. Once triggered, the workflow automatically generates a status notification card and broadcasts it directly to the execution channel. Simultaneously, that exact same workflow can update a master tracking list or risk register in SharePoint, ensuring external documents always reflect the current state of work. For recurring field updates or incident reports, we deploy a secondary workflow using the native Updates app. When a team member submits an update form, Power Automate reads the submission and automatically appends the new data as rows in a master Excel tracking sheet. Deploying these automated workflows successfully shifts the burden of routine reporting from the human project manager to the underlying system. While individual teams execute granular tasks, executive stakeholders require macro-level portfolio oversight without having to navigate away from their primary workspace. We solve this by deploying Power BI dashboards as embedded, permanent tabs within a dedicated high-level project channel. Live data streams feed upward from the individual planner boards and SharePoint lists, aggregating directly into these central visualizations. This provides leadership with an immediate, real-time view of cross-project bottlenecks, of budget pacing, and overall portfolio health. When configuring this, it is important to note a technical constraint. Power BI tabs embedded in Teams do not currently support dynamic URL filtering to adjust views automatically based on context. To ensure seamless access management, project managers must use specific Power BI sharing links when setting up the tab. This guarantees that all channel members have the necessary permissions to view the report. Embedding live analytics ultimately transforms Microsoft Teams from a localized execution space into a comprehensive enterprise command center. We scale this precision engine across the enterprise by cloning the standardized blueprint for every new initiative. Deploying predefined templates instantly sets up the necessary channels, folder hierarchies, and pin tabs. This eliminates setup overhead and prevents the tenant from filling with disorganized project archaeology. When a project reaches the end of its lifecycle, we initiate the formal closure and archiving process. It is an operational necessity to lock completed project cycles into a permanent read-only state. These strict archiving protocols preserve all historical decisions and compliance records in SharePoint, while removing the inactive workspaces from the user's daily interface. Compare this to where we started. A chaotic, fragmented chat history has been replaced by a highly ordered architectural system. By combining strict channel structures, active tabs, and automated data workflows, we create a scalable, repeatable project machine. Enterprise operational excellence does not come from purchasing additional software. It comes from engineering rigorous, automated frameworks within the tools you already own.